Hello.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today, we'll be highlighting some functions of the FACT Series Access Terminal. The FACT Series is named after its 4 core features: fast recognition speed, highly accurate recognition rate, convenient use, and trusted privacy protection. Its product design is compact and cost-effective and offers intuitive management. In this video, we'll focus on the newly added ASI3A Series, which includes 4 new models. These various models help meet the selection needs for different scenarios and provide excellent cost performance. Here are the contents of the new FACT Series Access Controller, which include the Access Controller, a wall mount, a pack of screws, a quick installation guide, a QR code, and the power adapter. Let's take a look at the ASI3A model, which provides multiple access methods, and see how it functions. Contactless recognition supports unobstructed,
Danny, you're amazing. Please, come in.
masked,
Welcome to Dahua Overseas Business Center.
low light,
Welcome.
and multiple user access.
Welcome.
Additional unlocking methods include card unlock, fingerprint unlock, and password. Users can also link up to an indoor monitor to act as a video intercom to view guests and give them access to the building.
Hello.
The FACT series now supports multiple languages: English, Arabic, Russian, Vietnamese, Thai, and Latin Spanish. Users can also upload up to 3 custom voice MP3s. Additionally, with the DMSS app, temporary passwords can be used for short-term rentals and visitors. Check out this clip to see how it works. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the FACT Series Access Terminal in action. For more information on all our products, you can visit the links below. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.